Welcome to 77 Paisa channel. Today another topic on credit card rewards. We will see how we can use the rent pay service of redgiraffe.com and use your credit cards to pay your monthly rents and also earn reward points for paying those rents. Now let's start with the features. You need your landlord's PAN number, a rental agreement, and a residence proof like an electricity bill to register for the service. You can set up automatic monthly payments or do a month-on-month payment as well. Cards offered by HDFC, ICICI, SBI, and a few other banks are supported, while Citi, Amex, and Axis are not supported at this point in time. It also provides you an automated rent receipt that you can use it as your IT supporting. Now the benefits and fees. The most important benefit of this product is that this is one of the very few products that helps you earn credit card rewards for rental payments, thereby save some money. It also helps you achieve your milestone benefits on a fast track. Certain credit cards like HDFC Regalia have got spin-based milestone rewards. For example, you spend 5 lakh rupees to earn 10,000 points. A rent payment would help you achieve that milestone faster. There are detailed math that I have worked out to understand how much you are going to save. So we'll see that in detail a little later. It also helps you build a good CIBIL score. Since it's a credit card payment, it comes with the interest-free credit period of 10 to 45 days depending upon your billing cycle. And if you put your rental money in a SBA account or in some other account for this period, it is going to earn you some money as well. Fees. If the rent is less than 10,000 rupees per month, it has got a fixed fee of 46 rupees. If it is more than that, it has got a fee of 0.46%, which includes the GST as well. There is no other hidden fee, and overall, the fee looks okay to me. And next is the registration process. It is pretty straightforward. You log into the redgiraffe.com and they clearly explain you how to do this one. You register, you schedule your payments, and then you start making your payments. If you are going to use the internet banking facility, I would suggest not use Red Giraffe because you don't get any benefits out of using internet banking. Now let's see the detailed math. I'm assuming that the monthly rent is 15,000 rupees and I have worked out the benefits of using both HDFC Regalia and ICICI Amazon Pay, the two most popular cards that are available in the market today. So the annual rent is 1,80,000 rupees. The rent pay charge is 828 rupees. In HDFC Regalia, you get 4,800 reward points. The equivalent of that is 1,980 rupees. And if you are going to keep that 15,000 rupees each month in 25 days for a SB account, you get an annual interest of 345 rupees. So the net annual savings is minus 828 plus 1980 plus 345, which is 1,497. This is not including the milestone benefits. The HDFC milestone benefit is 10,000 points for 5 lakh spend. You are spending 1,80,000 here, which means that this helps you like achieve 36% of your milestone. And that is why I have taken prorated points of 3,600. And the cash equivalent of that point, I would consider it as 1,530, which means that your total savings is going to be that 1,497 plus this 1,500, which is 3,027, which means that you are saving 2% of your rent each year by using HDFC Regalia card. Another popular card, Amazon Pay. I'm taking a net reward rate of 0.95% because you don't get cash, you get Amazon Pay credit. That's why I'm taking it as 0.95%, which means that the cash equivalent of the reward rate is 1,710 rupees. Here also the same SB interest you are earning, and the net annual savings is minus 828 plus 1710 plus 345, which is 1,227 rupees for 1 year. This doesn't have any milestone benefits, so your overall benefits also remain at 1,227, which is 0.7% of your savings. Some of you might be having some questions around the cash equivalent and the net reward rate that I used for HDFC Regalia. I have some solid logic to use this reduced benefits. I have made up a separate video explaining the HDFC Regalia's rewards program. You can see the link for that video in the video description. If you have any questions, take a look at that. And in the next scenario, I'm assuming a monthly rent of 50,000 rupees using a super premium card like HDFC Infinia. Here is the math. The annual rent is 6 lakh rupees. Rent pay charge is 2,761. You earn 20,000 reward points, the equivalent of which is 16,800 rupees. SB interest is 1150. So the savings is minus 2761 plus 16,800 plus 1150, which is 15,189. Here for an Infinia, the milestone benefit is that your fee of 11,800 gets waived if you spend 8 lakhs. So out of 8 lakhs, 75%, which is 6 lakhs, you are spending using this service, which means that you are reaching 75% of your milestone here. That is why I'm taking a 75% of the fee as the benefit that you receive from this service, which means that using this, you have saved another 8,850 rupees. So the total savings that you get out of this is 24,039 rupees, which is a good 4% savings. So till now we have seen the features, the benefits, the fees, and also the detailed math. Now the verdict. I would say that you can use Red Giraffe if you promptly pay off all your credit card balances each month. If you are someone who do not carry any balance into the next month, then you can go for it. Other things you need to consider are how much is your reward rate, how much is your rent, does your card has got any milestone benefits. These are the other things that you would want to consider before taking up this service. Also, one more thing, if your credit card limit is very less, like 50,000 or less than that, then using this service may negatively impact your CIBIL score. While if you have a higher credit card limit, this will positively impact your CIBIL score. So this also you need to take into account which card you are using and how much is the limit on that particular card. Thank you for watching and happy savings. If you found this video informative, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell button. If you have any feedback, questions, or comments, use the comment section and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks and bye bye.